It seemed like it's dark in here. I'm looking around like I got all the lights on, but why is it dark? How's everyone doing tonight? I hope y'all are doing good out there. How's my loners? You guys good? You hanging in there? I hope so. I myself as a loner yesterday had to hang in there all by myself. It wasn't a bad day though, guys. It really wasn't. I just had a lot of running around to do, bill day, all of that stuff. And when I get home, I usually just want to crash. I didn't even eat yesterday. I think all I had was a bowl of clam chowder. And of course my Lucy Juicy. She keeps me going. So, yeah. So how's everyone doing tonight? And what is everybody having for dinner? And if you're new here, subscribe, guys, and welcome to my channel. We just have dinner here and chit chat, and I just appreciate the company. That's all. And if you are a loner out there and you happen to come across this video, please don't feel alone anymore. Just come on in, subscribe, and welcome to my channel. You will not be alone anymore. We do dinners here, okay? Because I don't want to be alone and eat dinner by myself. So I enjoy the fact and appreciate the fact that y'all are there enjoying dinner with me, guys. So on that note, let me tell you what I made myself. And no, I didn't make this. I did, though. As you see, I microwaved dinner tonight. So I'm just going to go ahead and say it. This is a 5-star microwave dinner. That's all I can tell you. Been a little tired lately. I too go through things mentally, you know, to this day. So when I do, I kind of choose to, like, you know, take my little time out for myself, you know, and that's what you have to do. And I went to the store the other day and I had this in my fridge and I was like, today's the day to eat it. I'm hungry. I ate clam chowder. That's it last night. So today I'm very hungry and this looks delicious and I think I'm going to enjoy it. So it's just barbecue ribs that they pre-make. And this is pepper jack macaroni and cheese that was in the container. And then a frozen bag of broccoli and cheese. I mean, look at this, guys. Well, it took me approximately, I don't know, 15 minutes altogether to heat all this up. Just to heat it up, you know. Easy if you don't feel like doing anything, you know. And I do have my days where I don't feel like doing anything, guys. But look at this. You still can eat good. But okay now. It's time to eat, guys. Let's eat. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, and I introduce my Lucy Juicy, right? Okay, just making sure. Did y'all want a rib? Grab one. Hurry up and grab one. I ain't got all day. Okay, you good? All right. Broccoli, I really can't offer you none. I use it all. It's just a little bag. You know, I don't know why they're so expensive for the little frozen bag of vegetables, you know, that's only for one person. All right, let me get to eating. Been talking to my son at least 3-4 times a day. He's calling me. Yeah, this is a rough one, guys. This one's rough. 5 years, you know, and this person just moved on like immediately. So I understand the pain and the hurt. It's gonna take a minute, but he's hanging in there. My doorbell rang today. First thing came to my head was, it's gotta be my son. He just popped over. It's gotta be him. But it wasn't. It was my lovely neighbor downstairs, her and Little Bit. I'll show you guys when I'm done eating. She brought me, I don't know, 3 bags of goodies. You know, we live in the country out here. She has access, I guess, to fruits and vegetables and stuff like that. But I haven't really looked in the bag. She just handed them to me and in the process of making dinner. So I'll share that with you guys. I want to share it with you. I don't want to look at it by myself, okay? All right, so let's finish eating because I got to eat. Tastes just like pepper jack cheese. Yummy. One second. Okay, you heard the doorbell. I had to excuse myself, but I did say excuse me. I apologize, guys. I have no control. But it was my neighbor. So all is good. She just wanted to make sure I got everything. And did I want some extra spaghetti squash? I didn't know there was some in the bag. So I guess I got some spaghetti squash. How sweet and exciting. I'm ready to eat and tear these ribs up. I'm afraid I'm going to get my sweater dirty. I should know better. It's okay though. Yummy, guys. I'm not even going to tell you. I offered you some. So my son is a football fan and he's an Eagle fan. So you know the Eagles are in the Super Bowl, right? He was crying to me today because he's like, I have nobody to go to the Super Bowl with, Ma. You come with me? You ain't got to ask me that. I'm right there with you. Right there with you. Mom, you can get something to drink. Get something to eat. I said, oh, Mommy don't drink. You know that. I'll give me some 7-Up and order me something off the menu. He'll probably have a drink. Most likely he will. He said, Mom, when my team wins and I start crying, you better hug me. He's something else. That's my baby. He's my youngest son. So that's my plan for Sunday. And I'll probably stay the night with him because he lives in the city. And then he can bring me home before he goes to work Monday night. So, it'll be fun. I haven't been out in a long time, guys. I know it's going to be a sports bar, which got, you know, a bar in there, food, restaurant style, you know, that type of environment. But yeah, I'm going way out of my comfort zone. Way out of my comfort zone. I might change my mind. I might have to pass on it. I don't know. Y'all help me. Wow. I am trying my darndest not to make a mess. My kitchen is clean. My house is clean. It smells so good. But anyone that's ever been in my house always says that. It smells so fruity in here. I just love the smell of good smell, you know? You can tell the house smells like me. The smell of good food, like all of that. It's comfort here. This macaroni and cheese is banging. I never had it before, and it's good. Being that I wasn't on yesterday, y'all tell me how your weekend was, okay? I hope y'all had a wonderful weekend. Lots of fun, lots of eating, and lots of rest. Yeah, yesterday was just one of those days. And then I had to stay on the phone too. You know, I had mommy duties too. There was a lot going on yesterday. But I want y'all to know, okay? You guys got to know. I'm letting y'all know. Today I got up a little late, but I felt better. So, yeah, got myself together, and I'm like, you know what? You don't really have to do anything to do today. You don't have to clean anything. Everything is clean. So look at you. All you gotta do is just get yourself together. And guys, it's been in the 40s. What's going on? What is up with that? I was more in a depressive state yesterday in the 40s than I was when it was snowing hard. Like, I don't understand. But I think it's in the 40s today too. I went outside. I went outside for 2 seconds. Actually got to go out there and check my mail at 5 o'clock. I'm eating dinner early, by the way, guys, because I was starving. I'm hungry. Y'all should be proud of me. Oh, she's early tonight. Mm-hmm. Yep. Well, this is for the early birds today. Mm. Mm. That's so good. You know you want to bite. Mm. Mm. Yum. Mm. Finger looking good, guys. I don't know what to tell you. Not bad for microwave dinner. Go ahead, tell me I'm slacking. I don't care. Go ahead. You're slacking, Blue. I told you I'm not going to cook every day. I can't do it. Not every single day. A good 5 days out the week, yes. Mm-hmm. And I'm still making it, so it takes work to put it in the microwave. And check the timing and all of that, you know. Keep an eye on the food. So forth and so on. Everything is work. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. These are so good. Garlic and rosemary crostinis. I think that's what they're called. Mm-hmm. My favorite. You can dip those in all kinds of stuff. Anything you want. Mmm. 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 Very satisfying. This is a perfect dinner. If I didn't tell y'all already, y'all are so sweet and I love y'all, okay? That's right. I love my dinner table. Let's make it worldwide. Let's do that. I need y'all to share it. Let it go. Let it keep going. You know, people that are lonely out there, get them involved. Bring them to our table. That's where they need to be. I don't feel alone when I'm on here with you guys. I know I'm talking to you, and I know I'm going to get a response later. You know, it's fun. It's exciting to check my comments, to see what my family has to say. It's amazing. I love it, guys. I look forward to it. There are days, though, where I may not do a video because I'm overtired or maybe going through something, you know. But don't worry about it, because I'll be right back. Oh, I'll be right back. Oh yeah, I'm overweight now, guys. I'm past my weight. My average weight is 150. I'm close to 160 now. I'm 159. I don't care though. I feel good. That's all that matters. That's all that matters, that I feel good. I'm full though, by the way, if you were wondering what I was doing. About to clean up my mess right here. Yeah, that was very satisfying and delicious and easy to make. Just had to throw it in the microwave, guys. See? Simple. If you want to be simple, be simple. It doesn't take no time to be simple. Do what you want. It's your life. I almost forgot to show y'all the bag of stuff my neighbor got me. Okay, so look. The bag she got. Oh, okay. Yeah, a big bag of potatoes. Nice, right? Check that out. Wow, she's so sweet. Bag of apples. Look at that. All right. Nice. Organized, guys. I'm not trying to, you know, mess up anymore. Okay, and this one, we got, oh, wow. Okay, we got some green bananas. Ain't these pretty? Some green bananas. Nice. They'll have plenty of time to ripen. I might make banana bread with that. And then I have a bag of spaghetti squash. These babies right here. There's 4 of them in this bag. And then this bag, I don't know, are these oranges? There's some little oranges. Okay. Look like they come right from the tree. Yeah, they come from the tree. Okay, that's cool. I love stuff like that. I love fresh produce. Anytime you get fresh produce, ooh, I love it. I love it. Where I'm at right now, I don't know where the nearest stand is. The stand probably far from here. But where I used to live before I moved here, we had produce stands everywhere. And egg stands too, where people were selling their eggs from their ducks and chickens and stuff. But yeah, how nice, right? So I just wanted to share that with you guys. So that's what she gave me. So anyways, guys, yeah. I love y'all so much. I hope you enjoyed your dinner, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your night, because you know what time it is for me. You know what time it is. It's that time. And I appreciate y'all always for joining me for dinner. You're the best. I love y'all, and I'll see you soon, okay? Take care of yourselves. Bye.